Hi everyone, welcome back to the UltFone channel. If you've forgotten your iPad's passcode and need to factory reset your iPad, or if you're searching for ways to reset it without iTunes or a passcode, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 4 reliable methods to factory reset your iPad without needing the passcode. Let's begin. Method 1. Use the Forgot Passcode option. This method works when you can operate directly on the device. Keep entering the wrong passcode until the Forgot Passcode option appears at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to start the factory reset process, which will erase all data and remove the lock screen. You'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to sign out. After that, tap Erase iPad to confirm. Once the reset is complete, your iPad will restart and you can set it up as new or restore from an iCloud backup. Method 2. Factory reset iPad using UltFone iPhone unlock. If the first method doesn't apply to you, you can factory reset your iPad using a computer. I recommend using UltFone iPhone unlock. It's beginner-friendly and works with most iPhone and iPad models. The download link is in the video description. Connect your iPhone with a USB cable. After installing the software, launch it and choose Unlock iOS screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPad into recovery mode. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, download the required firmware package. When the download finishes, click Start to begin the reset. The process usually takes around 10 minutes. Once your iPad restarts, the factory reset will be completed. Method 3. Factory reset iPad through Find My. This option requires Find My iPad to be turned on and the device to be online. On your iPhone, open the Find My app, go to Devices, and select the iPad you want to reset. Tap Erase this device and follow the prompts. Enter your Apple ID and password to confirm the erase. Once initiated, your iPad will begin the factory reset process. After it restarts, the reset will be done. Method 4. Factory reset directly from your iPad. There's a built-in way to reset it from the device itself. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPad, tap Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Sign in with your Apple ID to turn off Find My iPad. Tap Continue to confirm the reset. Your iPad will erase all data, restart, and return to factory settings. This method is quick and doesn't require a computer, but you'll need your Apple ID credentials and Wi-Fi connection. And that's it. These are 4 effective ways to factory reset your iPad without a passcode. Keep in mind that all methods will erase the data on your device, so if you don't have a backup, your information may be lost. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.